Good morning and welcome to the first video of a video every day this week. That's right, the plan this week is to make a video for you guys every day this week. Gonna see how it goes, never done like a daily vlog type of thing before. We're gonna still keep it photo, video related, gonna try to have something in there every day. Right now it is Monday morning, you guys are gonna see this Tuesday, but it's Monday morning, we're out doing a bit of cardio, we need to get back and have some breakfast, and I will see you back at the house. Okay, so we are back at the house, just done our exercise, back now, gonna do a little bit of work, gonna mix up a protein shake. Any of you guys are into your protein shakes, I highly recommend the My Protein chocolate peanut butter flavour, that's pretty good, been getting into that. I would say it's not a sponsored video, but I think you guys know, 2,000 subscribers, it's safe to say that none of my videos are sponsored videos. Gonna mix this up and then we will head into the office and I'm gonna talk to you guys about the plan for this week. Right. Right. Gonna shut this door so you guys are seeing all the behind the scenes stuff this time. Gonna shut this door because you can hear the road noise otherwise. Gonna shut this door. Okay, so yeah, you guys, I think pretty much you got it right. The plan for this week is for me to do a video every day, almost like a daily vlog type of situation. Not going to be a daily vlog in like the traditional sense of we are way overexposed. Let me just get that a bit better. There we go. So now, not going to be like a daily vlog in the traditional sense. Like, I'm not just going to be like showing what I get up to all day every day. We're still going to have some purpose to it. I want to make sure that there is a story to every video. Got a few ideas. We're going to be kind of looking at a few different bits and a couple of other sort of specific like photo, video topics that we can talk about through the week, which I thought would be good fun. But I'm literally going to be filming this day to day. Quite often I try to film videos a few days ahead of time, and quite often the videos that you guys see will be filmed at least one day, normally sort of 2 or 3, even 4 days ahead of time. But this time we literally will be filming one day and you guys will see it the next morning. So with that in mind, what would you like to see me talk about this week? Let me know. Comment below, what kind of topics would you like covered? What sort of stuff do you want us to be looking at? Got a few ideas already, but I won't share them with you just yet. Comment below and let me know some of the types of things that you would like to see us talk about this week, and I might pick your topic and we will do a video on it later on this week. Make sure you take a second, go hit that like button. It helps my video out loads and it helps out my channel as well, so I really appreciate those of you guys who do. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Loads of other photo videos coming on my channel, so make sure you subscribe to follow along. Right, so what we're going to do today? Well, right now we're just starting off. Going to be drinking this protein shake, but I want to get a few little bits done. I want to do some stuff with my Facebook page, which I have not done for ages, and I don't mean my Facebook group. We currently have a Facebook group running that has about 20 of you guys in it, which is fantastic. We're doing loads of live seminars in that group. We've got different topics that we're talking about. Really enjoying that so far. If you want to find out how to be a part of that group, go check out the first link in the description below. Follow that through and it will tell you all about how you can be part of that group if you would like to be. But what we're talking about today is my main Facebook page for my photography. Now, I try to be fairly active on Instagram and on Twitter. If you haven't already followed me on those places, go check me out on Instagram. You can find me right here, at Rob Sambles Sport, at Rob Sambles, and at Scorchers Photog. And I'm also on Twitter as well. You can find me on Twitter over at Rob Sambles Photo. But we are talking about Facebook. Now, I want to just try to kind of make that page a little bit better. Shared a couple of videos on Facebook in the last couple of weeks, and that seemed to work fairly well. Got a lot of interaction, and I noticed we got some more views on those videos than we did the couple of videos before. So I want to try and make that Facebook page a little bit better. And that's going to be one of the main things I want to achieve today. Later on, we're going to head outside. Those of you guys in the UK, you'll know that the weather has been lovely last couple of days, and it's supposed to be lovely pretty much all of this week. So we're going to go outside, probably going to go down to the local basketball court and do a little bit of shooting around, a bit of exercise, because we are now allowed to go outside for sports, so long as we are staying with members of our own household, which makes it a little bit easier. Of course, the real challenge this week is that we are not able to shoot any kind of sports events, so I still don't really have any sports that I'm going to be showing you, but I do actually have a couple of little kind of mini sort of photography jobs planned for this week, which I'm going to take you guys along and I will show you how some of those work, because I think it'd be quite interesting for you to see. And when I say take you along, I mean right here, because we're going to be doing them right here in this room, because one of them is a product photography type of thing, which I think should be quite cool. Right, in the meantime, let's get ourselves turned around so we can get onto this Facebook page and I will show you guys what I want to try and do. Right, let's get around over here. Okay, right, so now, Facebook. So, my Facebook page, you guys can find me over on Facebook. If you just go onto Facebook and just search Rob Sambles Photography, it will come up and it will take you to my page. Now, it's a page that has been largely, like, unused. If you guys go to it, you'll see that some of the more recent posts are actually, like, local basketball and stuff of a team that I play for, and some random landscape shots and stuff like that. So, going to try and smarten it up a little bit. Going to change the banner so it matches the, like, you know, the setup that's on my YouTube channel. I'm going to try and post to it a little bit more regularly and post a few of my sports photos there here and then. I think that would be quite nice to do, and I think it'll be good. So make sure, guys, do me a favour, go and follow along my Facebook page. Head over there, hit the like on my Facebook page, and make sure you follow along, because you'll be able to see some more content coming there. And I'm also going to post all of my videos from YouTube. I'll start to post on there as well, which means that if you guys ever miss it, or for some reason you don't have notifications turned on in YouTube, which you should, by the way, take a second, go hit that notifications button. It's the bell button right next to the subscribe button. What that does, gives you notification every time I upload a new video. But if you go follow the Facebook page, you'll see over there, and you'll get a notification as well from there, because I'm going to post all the videos from YouTube onto that Facebook page going forwards. Now, the other big thing that I want to do before we touch on actual Facebook itself. So I mentioned before about our Facebook group, and members who are part of that Facebook group join into it by becoming a member of the Patreon page. Now, those of you guys who've not seen the previous videos about the Patreon page, the idea was that we were doing it to raise money for charity, and all of the people who joined in March or April, any proceeds that we made from that were all going to charity. Now, I'm really excited to say that we've actually made £65 so far from that Patreon page, and all of that is going to go to charity. But what we're going to do is I'm going to extend it. We're going to run that into May as well. So anybody who joins that Patreon page in May, all of the money from May is going to go to charity as well. So if you haven't already, or you're thinking about it, please do go have a look at the Patreon page. Sign up. It's only £5, and for £5 you get access to the group. We do live seminars, we're doing photo competitions, loads of stuff in there. So it's well worth joining it, even if you were just paying the £5. But you're not, it's going to charity, which makes it really, really worthwhile. I don't know what we're going to do with it from June onwards. It might be that we use it to like reinvest in the channel so I can make better videos for you guys. But we'll see how we go. Right now, any money from that page is all going to charity. We've got £65 so far. It would be awesome if we could break £100 so we can give that to charity. We're going to do that on a video so you guys will see where it goes. Don't worry. If I take you guys into the actual page and let me show you what we've done so far. Okay guys, so this is my Patreon page, and look here, I mean, you guys, if you're familiar with Patreon, you can see the earnings on the front page of it anyway, but I want to be totally transparent with you guys. So this is what we've done so far. You can see down here we've made pretty much £65 because there's a few like fees and stuff that come off it. So overall it was about £80, but then there's processing fees and stuff, which is how Patreon works, right? But overall down here we've got about £65 together, which is all going to go to charity. But what would be really great is if we can get a few more people join into it so that we can increase that amount. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give you a quick touch on some of the Facebook groups so you can see some of what we have going on over there. Okay, so I've got to be a little bit careful here, right? Because it's important to me that we keep the privacy of some of the other guys who are in the group. But these are some of the posts that we're doing. So you see, we're doing a bit of a photo lockdown competition right now. You can also see, I said about we're doing live seminars, right? So here's an example of one of the live seminars that we did. So this I did live into the Facebook group, and I talked about the process I go through when we are shooting an event. So we talked about everything from, I did most of the examples around an England game at Wembley, and we talked about like the planning and the process and what goes into it. It was a really interesting seminar actually, and those of you guys who join the group later, don't worry, all those seminars are still posted right there on the page, so you can go back and watch them anytime. Really good seminar that. I might try and do a very similar video at some point, but that'll be a fair bit in the future because of course right now I want to keep those kind of bits exclusive for members of the Facebook group. Right, so I'm going to work on livening up this Facebook page a little bit, so hopefully by the time you guys see it, it will already look a little bit better than it does. Going to get that done, and then we probably will have a bit of lunch, and then we're going to head out and do some exercise this afternoon. You guys don't need to sit here and watch me work for an hour or so, so I will see you guys in a bit. It's amazing how much just putting a few shots up can really get the heart racing and get you sweating, which is good. It was just me in the end because Mrs. Sambles and the other guys just kind of doing a bit of stuff around the house and getting ready for some dinner, so just me in the end, but it's good to do that. I've been doing that quite a few days this week because we're allowed to now when we weren't before, which is really good. Right, I think that is probably about the good point to round off this video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please do take a second, go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you are new. And we have got some cool videos coming this week. And I will see you guys. I will see you tomorrow.